everyone, I'm wearing a sweater called Sweet Escape. This is one of our Rhinebeck sweater. We have stripe version, now we have solid version. So this is made with our dream yarn, and this is one of our tweed yarn actually. So we made it in a solid color. This sweater is so simple and so comfortable, and of course it's easy to make it, and I think this is perfect for just throw over a jeans and skirt. And this is one of our Rhinebeck sweater called Sweet Escape. So I'm gonna try on this, but this you can make with our dream yarn. So dream is worsted weight. It's 100% merino wool. It's so soft and light. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. So this is easy sweater. I hope you like it.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.